JKN Aerospace Engine Systems is a component manufacturer for aviation, space and defense. So we do components for all the commercial airlines or for the big engine suppliers like Rolls-Royce, Pratt & Whitney and General Electric. The Siemens tools that we are using within manufacturing is mainly Teamcenter at the bottom, and then we're using NX and Process Simulate for programming our CNC machines and our robots. We have quite complex processes, and a part of it is that it wouldn't be possible to online program these processes, and some of the environment in which we're working is not very suitable for humans to be in. So using an offline software or a simulation software to perform this kind of work is of course beneficial for us, and also we can do much of the work in advance and we can save time, keep production running as much as possible. We have used the tools of the API to create these XML scripts, helping us to automate the manual process of path attributing mainly. And that has been really helpful for us to remove some of this manual work, which could easily lead to mistakes when you have a large number of paths and locations to handle. Using these path templates, helping us automate this process and attribute all the locations with the attributes we want to use, adding, retract and approach locations automatically. We do in hours, or at least in a couple of days, what would have taken weeks to do, at least. So it's been a game changer. Process Simulate has also allowed us to meet the demands of our customized robot syntax for our processes. So we've been able to customize the downloads in the way we want to have them to be able to handle uploads and downloads in a good way. The connection between Process Simulate and Teamcenter is in one way quite essential for us, because previously we had to export data out of Teamcenter, being a little bit disconnected from the other guys working in NX and Teamcenter. They are all using the same data, the same CAD models. When we introduced Process Simulate on Teamcenter and we got that connection, it felt much better knowing that we are working on the same data as all the others using the system. I'm also quite interested in Copilot to see how AI could help us to further aid our programmers in their work, to avoid mistakes, maybe to create some sort of checklist where the Copilot is keeping track of the user performing all the tasks he needs to do, or otherwise mark locations or paths. I think that's an interesting part of the future.